Uminom ka na ng vitamin.
Nagusto ko yung Berocca.
Oo nga. Maligam-gam ka?
Maligam-gam ka.
Maligam-gam ka.
Hi guys! Hello Julia Bondos. I miss you so much. Kailangan kalmado lang ang boses dahil kakabalik pa lang ng ating golden voice. So I have here food. And it's buko pie. Kaninong buko pie ito, Colette? Cecilia's. I don't know the differences, pero ayan, para lang alam nyo. Cecilia's buko pie. As a beauty guru. Ganda ng hood. This is actually a onesie I got from Don Quixote sa Japan. Kuromi. Ayan. Actually, ang favorite ko talaga si Hello Kitty, but I'm happy I got Kuromi because it's black. So, kahit hindi siya labhan palagi. Kasi pag puti, di ba, dumihin. Ang konti lang, ma. Kulang to. So, hello Armand Strong. Dapat din ako kumakain kasi nag-i-intermittent na ako, pero kailangan ko uminom ng gamot, sis, because of my ubat sipon. So, I have no choice but to eat. Ay,
Sorry.
char lang, okay lang. But to eat kahit labag sa aking diet.
Ganito. Once a day.
Once a day. Paano pag inom ako ng gamot, hindi na ako pwede uminom ng alak?
Hindi talaga.
Ha?
Bawal forever.
Anong forever?
Bad yan.
Hello, Ivan. Tita, pakape po, sabi ni Abby.
Oo, bali ka rito.
Punta kayo dito.
Sabi ni, hindi lang kape.
Thank you, Jordan.
Kapay pa.
May buko pie ka pa daw. Kaya bilisan mo na. Baka maubos na itong buko pie. Loving your baby talks. What baby talk? This is my doggy voice. Ganito yung boses kapag kinakausap ko yung aso ko. Hello, Julian Marco. Tara, glitch tayo. Char. Hindi pa ako pwede uminom kasi nga I'm suffering from ubat sipon. But great news, kakabalik lang ng aking voice. And that means I can work now. That's why I have makeup right now because I worked. I filmed a couple of videos and some of them are controversial. So sana, since nasa PBB ako, ginagaya mo ako, Shoreline, I wonder, paano mo ako ginagaya? Sinabi mo rin ba ng spirit animal mo si Kylie Jenner kasi wala siyang talent? Gagaling nga ni Piinom ka ng gin. Ma, nakakagaling daw ang gin.
Hindi.
Gin daw?
Magsuot ka ng jeans.
Anong jeans? Ang corny ng mama ko. Nagdi-disconnect ang filter kapag umiinom. Baka kulang nga lang daw sa inom. Kasi din, di ba yung tequila, may lemon yun. Di ba lemon, vitamin C.
Pagkala ka niya, may kalamansi dyan, mas effective. Effective ang kalamansi.
Hala, ang sarap ng buko pa yun. Anyway, speaking of diet, I already posted on my TikTok yung mga ginawa ko para mag-lose ng weight. And it's pinned in my video kasi lagi na lang tinatanong, kaya pinin ko na siya. So if you guys are curious, you can watch my TikTok there. sabayan mo ng buko juice. I'm actually taking, right now, Berocca. Pero medyo weird kasi warm Berocca siya. Ayan, para ma-boost ang ating mga immune system. And napapansin ko nga sa sarili ko na tuwing nagda-diet ako, tapos nagiging consistent na ako sa diet ko, doon naman pumapalya yung immune system ko. Like, doon ako nagkakasakit. Siguro kasi kulang yung mga nutrients na nakakain ko kasi I limit my food nga. Continue mo ate yung bond nyo ni Rolf. Cute nyo naman. Naalala niyo yung pangalan ni Rolf. But yeah, I see him oftentimes sa gym. So maybe soon, kausapin natin siya. If, sayang, gusto ko pa sana mag-gym earlier. But, nakakaramdam din ako ng panghihina because of this ubot sipon. And I have to reserve my energy kasi on Sunday, I'm gonna be doing something on Sunday. I'm gonna be doing something on Sunday live. So please, abangan niyo kung ano yan, yung mga detalye. Kasi hindi pa ako masyadong sure sa detalye. Hindi ko pa napag-aralan. Pero ipapost ko naman dito. Sa IG. Gym can also help your mental health. Totoo. Like, akala ko dati, ang hassle ng gym kasi gumagastos ka para pahirapan yung sarili mo. But actually, it's like therapy. Kasi, parang, with every successful reps na nagagawa mo, it's an accomplishment. So, somehow, nakakakuha ka ng validation. Wow, ang deep natin tonight. Validation. At saka, ewan ko ba, pero sa branch ng South Mall anytime, ang daming pogi. May pa-thumbs up. Saan galing yun? Thank you. Gift ba yun? Wala. Bakit ako tinums upan ng IG? Yes, maulan po. Isa rin yung rason kung ba't hindi ako nag-workout today kasi umuulan. And kakatamad pag umuulan, sis. Basta ang buko pa no? Meron pang last piece. Tapos pa rin ako minom ng gamot. I'm a fan po for 7 years. When did I start? Tumpak. Hindi siya naglalay kasi I did start YouTube since 2017. So, 7 years na siya now. Thank you for supporting me throughout my whole journey so far. Sana kapag kabuntis na ako, nandiyan ka pa rin. Baka mabuntis. Sana all may kaya ka pala. Pag magaling na ako, tsaka ako maghanap ng kaya ka. So, syempre, ayoko mahawa siya sa ubat-sipan ko. I'm selfless. Guys, gumawa pala ako ng TikTok about basta soon. Upload ko na lang. No? Clue. Bukas upload ko na siya. Orange juice, ginger, and lemon. Actually, yung ginger and lemon, ginagawa ko na siya for the past 3 days. And ayan, ito na. Nag-improve na yung voice ko. Hindi pa siya back to 100%. Pero I'm so happy na I can now talk. Kasi nung unang day talaga, like wala, zero talaga yung voice ko. Makikita niyo yun, may TikTok ako na binoice over ko yung araw na yun at wala talagang lumalabas sa aking throat. Parang masyadong na-abuse ang aking throat. Pero now, she is like 95% back. Hindi ko nga lang magawa yung parang sobrang tinis. Pero at least, ano na to, it's giving Megan Fox, it's giving Khloe Kardashian. Hindi pa Kylie, hindi pa natin magawa yung Stormy Baby. Hindi pa kaya. Khloe Kardashian pa lang to. Hello po, Miko Leros. Pagaling po, Mami. Thank you so much. Miss you na. Pagaling ka. Miss you din, te. I will. Para sa Sunday, magiging, 100% sa Sunday. Effective talaga ang ginger. Oo naman, trans ginger. Mas effective. Of course, I listen to Eternal Sunshine by Ariana. Di ba lalabas na daw yung music video sa That Boy Is Mine? Turmeric, I think isa sa mga medicine na tinitake ko is turmeric. Basta lahat, tinitake ko na yung mga supplement din, mga vitamins, mga ganyan-ganyan. Dati kasi hindi ako nagtitake ng mga vitamins. Mas nagpa-focus ako sa hormones, tsaka sa collagen. But now, I realized health is wealth. So, I'm doing my best to really take all that I could to be better. Thank you, Lyron. Ang ganda ni Ate Raf kahit may sakit. Thank you so much. Wala din akong makeup today kasi wala ding filter. Planning to take hormones? Oh, you are? Well, I wish you the best. Ayan. At hinay-hinay lang para iwas overdosage. Ganyan. Shade ng lipi. Kin by Maybelline Superstay. Yung glossy. Maybelline Superstay. Tapos Skin yung shade. This is one of my favorites because I consider it as a red pero hindi siya super wild red. I miss you too, Win. Kita tayo, wait lang. Papagaling lang ako sa ubot sipon para hindi ka mahawa. Kaka-watch ko lang ng vid mo. How much yung Flower Nose makeup? I actually don't know kung how much sila. They sent me products pero I think nagre-range from 1,000 to 3,000. Yun yung pagkakaalala ko. And Flower Nose, you guys, hit or miss yung mga products nila. I suggest get yung glitter, liquid glitter eyeshadow. That one's really nice, especially kung ilalagay mo siya sa baba ng waterline mo, like dito sa baba ng eyes, for that Douyin makeup look effect. Sounds like, hello po, Summer Cali, I miss you. Sounds like you're a bit ill. Yes, I am a little bit. But what makes me happy are my nails from Laxmi Aesthetic Salon. Tingnan nyo, it's monochromatic pink. And that's my mood for lately. Like, ayoko munang maging, wild sa nails. I just want to be pretty and cute. My REM beauty product ka na ba? Yes, I actually have a review ng REM products sa YouTube. I tried on their eyeshadow palette. I think my mascara, my lip balm and lipstick, my cream blush. So go check that out. It's on YouTube. Thank you, Yuval, for sending healing energies. I'm sending you positive vibes as well. And I hope you don't ever lose your passport. Hello from Borneo. Hello from Borneo, ang ate girl. Honest review naman sa Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my God, I don't have budget. I don't have budget for Charlotte Tilbury pa. Ano pa siya? Charlotte till next time. corny. So, I'm gonna show you my gamot box. This is my gamot pouch. Gamot pouch. And I need to take my gamot sa ubo, which is this one. Sinicod. Thank you, Ate Rich. Have you been to Malaysia? No. I haven't been Malaysia. Only Taiwan, Thailand. Yes, Victoria's Secret yung pouch. Only Taiwan, Thailand, Japan. Yeah. Philippines. And the USA. Hindi ko mabuksan. Shekinah, thank you so much. I miss you. But anyway, guys, end ko na tong live because inom na akong gamot and papahinga na rin ako kasi I need pahinga. Also, kayo din, gabi na, you guys need pahinga. Let's not abuse our bodies. Come to Sabah, Malaysia. I will host you. Ayan, gusto ko yan. I will go there because you said you will be the host of the next Miss Universe and I will join. Thank you, Summer Kali. Love you guys. Good night. Good night, everybody.